going to talk about who we are, because it is important who we are, but it is as important to understand who our ancestors are, who our mother, grandfather, you know, all these people behind you, because you're just them here, changing your projection of them. Whatever they didn't accomplish, or whatever they did accomplish, whatever they worked on and failed or triumphed, this is what you are. So when you say, I don't want to be like my mother, I'm not going to be this, or I'm not going to be that, I'm not going to be like my father, or there's certain things that you have that your family can't break. They're calling sometimes a curse, a family curse. Oh, I can't, they never find love, or they never get out, and you know, things like that. This is what we are. We are an echo of that, and it is embedded in our DNA. We are this. That energy is within us. That's why we chose this body, this family, this parents. This is what because that's the energy we needed to work with.